AsylEasy is coming. AsylEasy is a collaborative project between the independent associations ASI Catania from Italy and Platform Rechtsberatung from Austria. Together, we are creating a video guide to help you to understand the complex issue of asylum in an easy way. This is AsylEasy. Welcome. AsylEasy is an information tool which uses simple language and images to explain the asylum procedure in a clear and understandable way. This is a video guide for anybody who wants to independently inform themselves. If you yourself want to claim asylum in Italy, if you work with refugees and asylum seekers, or if you simply want to learn more about the Italian procedure for international protection. 9 short videos, so you can learn about each step of the procedure. 6 languages, so you can access this information in Italian, English, French, Arabic, Tigrinya, and Farsi. 1 website and 1 mobile phone app, so you can watch this video guide when and where you want. The video guide AsylEasy, coming spring 2016. Follow us.